Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you uh, uh, how to get free coins on SweetMeet. So it's really simple. You can earn free coins for rating people. So if you tap here, you can see plus icon. Then you can see here rate, like free coins will be deleted at 3. So spend 1 coin on today. So simply tap rate, then you have to tap here, then you can see as 1 coin you need to give ratings 16 people to get 1 coin. And then like you got a coin, you can use coin to do following: open likes, send gifts, and get attention. If you unlock your earning potential with sure. So if you want to install this, then you'll get more here. Then if you like this one, you can earn more and more to give ratings to the user. You can see it's increasing now, and if you want to give ratings, and you can see you can watch it this way. You can earn a coin per 16 coins. You will get 1. Upload your photos so that all girls can see you. So you can, let's meet, you have to select your photos first to get all the things. So this way you can say 3 coins you won. The more you rate the people, the more you earn the coin. So today's no man, see you in the next video.